Well, hey, this is Todd. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word. Hey, this is a different setting here today. I'm not in the studio, but it's New Year's Day, and I wanted to share with you starting your new year off on the right foot. That's what it's entitled today. We're not in Philippians today, but I wanted to share 3 things for you to do to start your year on the right foot. Okay. First thing is to get into the Word, read the Bible. Okay. If you just read the New Testament, like a little bit each day, that's fine. If you read the Old Testament, also, that'd be great. I challenge you, though, to read through the whole Bible this year. That's my challenge to you, if you want to take up that challenge. It's not that hard to do, and I've done it for quite a number of years now. And this year I'm actually reading a Bible that's a Warren Wiersbe study Bible, and it's a Bible that has all the Warren Wiersbe study notes in it, and I'm reading all those study notes along with the Bible. So it's a pretty thick Bible. Read a translation that's good for you to understand. So like I'm going to read the New Living this year. I read, I think that was the NIV last year, but read a translation that's easy for you to understand. Okay? So get into the Word. That's the first thing. The second thing, spend time in prayer. Just devote, if you're spending 5 minutes a day in prayer, bump it up to 10 minutes a day and just spend that time in prayer for your family, for your church, for those around you, and start by thanking God for the things He's done, okay, because He's done a whole lot for us. And so spend time doing that, just in prayer. Do that. And then the third thing is this, to start your year off on the right foot. Be involved with a church, okay? And it means not just showing up to a church. You can hear like church bells in the background here right now. How about that? And I actually went to a service early this morning here. But get involved in a church. And so it means more than just showing up, sliding in, as it starts and then getting out of there as quick as you can. Get involved. Be involved with maybe a small group in the church, or be involved in some type of ministry in that church. We've encouraged our kids, when they were old enough, to do something to be involved in the church in ways they can serve. So get involved in the church, not just showing up to be a participant, but look at ways you can serve in the church. There's all kinds of ways you can serve in your church. And, it concerns me what church you go to, of course, but just get into a church. Of course, not a cult church or anything, but a church that ministers well to you. Okay? So those are 3 things to get you started on the right foot in 2023. How about that? So I encourage you to have a great year. And this is Todd, and I'm a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you this year as we continue our journey through the Bible. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.